Welcome. Come on in. It's Thursday and it's happy hour. Home happy hour to be exact. So grab a drink and let's get started. Hi there, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty LLC in Portland, Oregon. And today on our home happy hour, we're talking about wire fraud. Now, if you've recently bought or sold a house, you will have gotten 10, 15, I'm not even exaggerating, emails, phone calls, all kinds of documents warning you about wire fraud. But you know what? One more isn't going to hurt you. So here it goes. First off, actually, I'll tell you a terrifying story. I had a client who was buying a house for $1 million cash. We were about to close. Everything was going well. A scammer, we don't ever know who or how, but they got a hold of one of our transaction coordinators' email addresses, sent the client from that email address, I have no idea how they did this, a new email saying, hey, here's the new wiring instructions. We just wanted to forward you these new ones, that you should use these instead. The client went to the bank, wired the money to the new wiring instructions, which was an offshore account in the Bahamas, and unbeknownst to us, the money literally left and they were able to put a stop on it right before it posted. If it had posted, she would have lost $1 million. So wire fraud is real. It's super important. So what do you do about it? Wire first. Before you call, before you do anything, call the title company. I know for you millennials, that's a weird thing to do, but you want to actually talk to somebody at the organization to confirm the numbers that they're giving you are the numbers you should use. And if you get anything that says that the wiring numbers are changing, don't believe it, call the title company immediately. That's your pro tip. So maybe also read the emails you got. As always, I appreciate you tuning into this week's Home Happy Hour. We'll see you next week. Take care.